Good morning. I saw that Wish was a top percent gainer, so I took a look at it and I saw it had a huge float, I think. I don't know if I recognized that or not in the moment. But what I really liked is this gap up into resistance. Um, Here it is. Like right around here. And I like that because that's, I think, my pattern, shorting into resistance. I checked it out on Oracle and it was projected to $9. And I was like, oh, wow. So I looked at the pre-market chart and I was like, well, I'm really far away to be risking off of the high of day, which I'm pretty much, or even double top at 1664. So I was like, where can I enter and set my risk? And this was before I realized that this is a meme stock. I don't want to touch meme stocks. So I decided to make my risk here at 1551 and I entered at 1531. I actually liked this crack, which ended up happening after I entered. So that was kind of like a confirmation. But then it did this rollover move, making a double top at 1551. It didn't push me out though. It only went to like 1550 or something and rolled back over. Because I think if I'm risking 1551, I got to get out by 1552. Like if I make that my exit, then once it breaks 1551, okay, I'm leaving at 1552. Like I press it as soon as it hits, kind of thing. So then it started going in my direction, and I saw this level over here at like 1510 break with this huge red candle, and I was like, cool, it's going in my direction. And my plan was to exit. Hold on, let me scroll this over. My plan was to exit at the bottom of the day low pretty much, which was 1470, aside from this one candle. So this was my exit strategy. I said I want to sell half and then I want to hold the other half and exit at my entry point. First, I wanted to exit at my risk, then I wanted to exit at my entry point, and then I decided that my new risk would be 1510 because of these guys. Like this is the rollover. If it goes past this, it's going to blow past my risk type of thing. And it kicked me out before going back down. But you know what happened here? When you were trading on Interactive Brokers pre-market, you have to turn on a switch that says out trading outside of regular trading hours. So that's why I could not do it at first. Then I went back, tried to do it again. I didn't type the word wish, so I was trying to cover like nothing. So by the time I actually was able to cover it, it was already 1450 and I think I got out somewhere at like 1453 or something. So it was a really nice cover. And this would have been like $100, but it's more like I'm trying to get the nuance of trading. So I have an entry, I have a risk, I have a plan. I take off half of my plan so that I have something in my pocket. And then I let the rest of my plan, I adjust the risk because I adjust the risk to the next support level down. So in my mind, I played this well. Like I can't predict where the stock is going. All I can do is set a risk, get an entry close to my risk, have an exit plan, whether I take off all my shares or half my shares, and then if I take off half my shares, I now have a new exit plan, which is the next support level down. So in my mind, I played this well. The only thing is, I did not know that this was a meme stock. So there was a little bit of like, oh my God, do I have a day trade today? Oh, this looks like a good setup. Oh, I got to get in now before the train leaves. So I'm always constantly dealing with that. I got to get in before the train leaves bullshit. But this time I caught the train and I made some money. So this was a $48.98. So like almost $49 profit, which is freaking cool. That is half a day's wage. So I'm really grateful for that. I'm really grateful that I like traded it well, in my opinion. Like obviously this is the better trade, but when it was right here, we were projected to $9. When it started gapping up, now Oracle changed to this. This is exactly what it looked like actually. 946. So I don't think I have another day trade today, but and I think I'm gonna walk away from this one because I don't want to play a meme stock, because that's not going to function in the same way that I want my stock to function in. So this was just like a cool technical analysis trade, and then I made this line as my like bottom of day support, like maybe it'll crack through, but it didn't. It actually found support over here at 1450 and bounced to 1510, which is actually 60 cents of bounce. So yeah. And then so my it was a I was like, okay, 1510 is my risk. If this thing hits 1511, I'm getting out because that's my confirmation, and that's when I got booted at 1511. Like 1 penny over my risk is what I do. Anyway, please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you have a good day and good luck trading.